Yung mga backup mo, ate, yung ataro mo, masasayang lang dito ka sa stage. Pasisikatan kita. Dahil may medical condition ka. Dito ka, pag wala. Hoy, Madam Shade, sama mo na si Madam Shade dyan. At saka yung mga doon, sa likod, yung in-invite ko dito. Dito na kayo. Alright. But before we start, allow me to say something about the organizer, Madam Trixie and Madam Jane. Come up here, please. Oh, yeah. Jane, whenever you get a chance. Masaya ba kayo? One more time. Masaya ba kayo? Alright, what I want you to do is chill. Dahil 5 oras pa kayo rito. So chill, drink water if you have to. Pag may mga medical conditions sa kayo, sabihin niyo sa mga tao para matulungan kayo. But first of all, I would like to acknowledge the two organizers. Pag wala po yung dalawang ito, wala tayo rito. So, Madam Trixie, Jane, on behalf of all of us, thank you for organizing this place, and God bless you. Let's give them a round of applause. And one more thing, Robinson, thank you for allowing us to have this venue. God bless you, Robinson. Last but not least, ang mga talaga pong nagpondo nito, Nanay Party List. Ang lakas ng dating, Nanay. You know, ang first love ko, ang nanay ko. Dahil dinala ako ng 9 months, patapos inaruga ako. So that's a very strong message. True love and true affection. And that's on behalf of all of us, sir. Nanay Party List, thank you for everything you're doing for all of us. And God bless you. Let's give them a round of applause. And one more thing. Ngayon, sabi ng Party List, ang bida rito, hindi sila. Nagbibida-bida lang sila. Kayo ang bida rito. All of you. So, good luck. Pag nanalo kayo, 40,000, kung ano man yun, enjoy. Pag natalo kayo, wala kayong nagpa-practice lang for the next one. So, be smart. Yung mga judge, good faith po yan. Mga judge, hindi yan binabayaran. Pro bono yan, walang bayad. So, let them do what they have to do. And just whatever it takes, we all winners! Okay. Kulang pa ito. Madam, sama ka na rin dito. Ate, Madam Shade, sama ka na rin dito. Hoy, ikaw, sama ka na rin dito. Oh, then just spread it out. May pinili akong dalawa dun eh. I guess. Okay, you two. Come up here. Let's go. This is an old school song. Sir, sir. This is an old school song. Alam niyo yung isa rito. Alright. Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay. Maestro, hit it.
Once again, it's your dancing function with Adorn Junior Last with the Earthquake Queen.
This is your favorite DJ, DJ Ross in the mix.
Hello, get away. Thank you sa mga backup. Si Madam dito, yung maganda yung guitars.
Bibigay na po namin to dahil alam namin after nito matakasan nyo na kami. Yan. In behalf of the Team George, Zinjixie and Team Burger Jane, we would like to give this plaque of appreciation to our guest instructor.